Hello, I'm Krista Todd. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Norton LifeLock. I'm excited to be here today with my daughter Madeline to walk you through the Smart Talk, the digital safety tool made for families. The Smart Talk is a free, interactive resource co-created by Norton and the National PTA to help families have positive and productive conversations about digital safety, wellness, and responsibility. Madeline is 9 years old, and we have just started to navigate the digital world together. So what's one digital safety topic you want to touch on today?
I like to connect with my friends online. Who can I connect with and how?
It's a great question. Let's get started. All right, please, everyone, head to thesmarttalk.org. If you scroll down the page, you can read a bit more about why we created the Smart Talk and how it works. Since we'll walk through this together, let's just scroll back up and begin by clicking on the Get Started button, shown in red. Next, we need to decide if you'd like to complete the Smart Talk as a guest or create your own account. One nice thing about creating an account is that you can add multiple family members, save your progress, and come back over time as your children grow. To do this, click on Create an Account in red. I'll then follow the prompts and hit Finish, and voila, you have an account. It's that easy. The screen you're seeing now gives you key tips to make the Smart Talk work for you and your family. It provides some important reminders like being open with each other, to take turns to keep everyone engaged, and suggestions for what to do after you complete the tool. Let's add Madeline by clicking on this red button, and then again on this green plus. You can see that when we enter her name and age and click Add, she is added to my account. We're now going to click on the Get Started button and we'll begin the tool. As a reminder, you can delete this agreement at any time by coming back to your dashboard. This screen here is showing us that we're now in the Smart Talk tool. Madeline, can you read the 5 key topic areas that are listed at the top?
Privacy and safety, communications, media choices, health and wellness, and keeping promises.
Thank you. And where should we start?
Communications.
All right, here we go. You go first.
There's so many ways to talk to others through technology. Mom, which ones can I use?
I think you should be able to use phone calls, video calls, texting or messaging apps, and email. What do you think?
I like that.
Okay, perfect. And Madeline, who should you be allowed to talk to through your devices?
I definitely think family members, classmates, teachers, and friends of our family.
That's perfect. We'll only check those. Throughout the tool, you'll see something called bonus talks. These talks help you by providing more information on the topic that you're reviewing, as well as additional links for more information. Families, after you've completed as many topics as you would like, you can head over to Keeping Promises in purple at the top. And how will you make sure that we're sticking to this agreement?
Let's sign it today, and I think we should print it and hang it in the kitchen to help us remember.
That's a great idea. We do use parental settings, so we'll check that one. And we, of course, use Norton Family to help us monitor everything at home. So we'll check that one too. I think we should review this again in a year or so. Do you agree?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Good. And I have so much going on that I am definitely going to have the Smart Talk remind us of when it's time to do it again next year. Then you'll see that there are just 2 questions to again help us make the tool the best it can be. What do you think? Did we increase your knowledge of digital safety today?
Yes, I learned who I can chat with online. Mom, you always remind me to stay cyber safe when I'm online.
I'm glad to hear that. And then families, feel free to leave us comments on your experience as well. Well, that's it. We're done. Let's click View Agreement in red and see what we've come up with together.
We said we'd sign it, so I'm going to click I agree on the right under Make it official, and then you can.
Deal. And then we see this fun certificate of completion that you can share with friends and family online. I also like your idea of hanging it up in the kitchen, so let's click Print Download so we have that. What do you think?
I'm glad we did it together, Mom, and that we have a shared plan that we can stick to. What about you?
I'm also thought it was very valuable. Even though I work at a cybersecurity company and I know the importance of cyber safety, there is just so much that you are doing online. It was great to have reminders about all the ways we can make good choices together to help keep you safe online. We hope that you enjoyed this demo and that it helps you begin the Smart Talk with your family today. We know that parenting in the digital age is complex, and Norton empowers children and families to feel safer in their digital lives. Our partnership with the National PTA and the Smart Talk tool demonstrates our commitment to providing families with the resources they need to live their digital lives safely. Thanks for watching.